Friends, in the last lecture we have seen how to sort data in a single column. In this lecture we will learn about how to sort data in multiple columns. As you see on the screen, a data is having some names, the roll numbers, marks and total marks of those students. And the data is sorted according to the roll numbers. That means the lowest roll number is on the top and the largest roll number is or highest roll number is on the bottom. Now we need to sort this data according to the merit list. Merit list means the highest marks should be at the top and the lowest marks should be at the bottom. So let us click on this column, that is total, having the highest marks or the lowest marks, and then click on the sort, that is Z2A, highest marks on the top and lowest on the bottom. When I click on Z2A, see the highest marks goes on the top and the lowest marks comes on the bottom, and the red color that was in the center also goes up. That means Nancy was somewhere in the center with sequence number 5. Now she is on the second rank with second highest marks. But what actually happened when we select the data, the Excel automatically identifies the top row as the heading and rest of the portion as the data. That means the serial number is also considered as a part of the data. It is also put up in the descending order. That means the largest on the top and lowest on the bottom according to the total marks. The total mark was the largest and the serial number was 4 at that point of time, so it also goes up with the largest mark. But what we want is, we do not want serial number in that order, so let us have Control Z and let us control only the total column, because we want to sort on the marks. When we select this single column and click on Z2A, this window comes up with two options: expand the selection, continue with the current selection. If we let it by default on the expand the selection and sort, it again sort the whole data, because it now considered this single column to all the columns available data and sort it out. Again the serial number gets sorted with the total marks, highest marks, and it goes on the top. Let us have Control Z, and what we can do is, now let us select the data of this total column again and sort Z2A. When we do it and the window comes up, we have continue with the current selection. That means only on the total marks. And when we sort, what happened is only this column gets sorted and rest of the column get constant or fixed. So what happened is, the marks of the Nancy goes to the marks of this student Harsh Agrawal, and you see red color goes on the top and their marks get interchanged, whereas rest of the data remains there. So this is also not correct, because in this way all the students marks must have been interchanged with other student marks. Let us do Control Z and try to find out the right method. Let us select this whole data and leave out the serial number column from this. Now how to sort it out, because we have to sort it to the total, and if we click on the total we will lose our selection. So we have to select the whole data and then go to this sort, click on this custom sort, and now we are having a new form or window, and on this we have to do the sorting, and we have to sort by the total, that is the marks. And now in sorting there are options of cell values, cell color, font color, and lot of options are there. Here you want the values. On the base of value you have to sort, and the order has to be highest to smallest. We have to have highest to smallest. Another thing that we note down is my data has header. Since we have selected the heading, we have to check it out, my data has header. If we forget to select the heading, then we have to uncheck, we have to leave this out. But since we have selected our heading in this here, we have to select this. When we select this, you see now it considered the top row as a heading and put it outside the selection and keep the rest of the data selected. And now we have to set OK, and as soon as we say OK, the data is sorted. Nancy, as being the rank second of the student, goes on the top with the rank second, and you see the red color in the fifth along with Nancy, it remains up here, and rest of the data accordingly we can assume safely has been sorted in descending order. That means highest on top and lowest on bottom.